60 word per minute English dictation. 5 second. Start. Para. The great nations of the world are following economic policies that differ widely from one another. We may have a certain theoretical approach to problems, but that does little good unless it is related to the practical aspects of reality. Our approach must be fashioned by a study of existing conditions and our objectives so that we can apply the idealistic approach with a practical consideration of the problems prevailing in the country at a particular time. Para, you will permit me to say that it is possible that our approach is a very limited one. It is possible that our approach derives from something static that belongs to past and not so much from the proper appropriation of a situation that is changing and dynamic. Towards the end of your address, you referred in general terms to various objectives that we have. I suppose most of us would agree with those objectives, although, of course, some may go further than others. Para, to say that we want greater wealth, higher standards of living, and greater production will not be contradicted. We have to achieve these objectives not merely mechanically but also in a social sense, which is very important. I have been driven almost against my will to the conclusion that material well being is just as important in human life as anything else. High standards of living are important and we must achieve them, but it is absurd to talk of high standards in India, where the lowest are sometimes lacking. We must have the basic necessaries of life, and only then can we think of higher standards.